package today, and Angel and Zion will try to open what's inside. Let's see. Ate, help. Ate. Sige te, si ate na eh. So let's see if ate can.
What's
Let's
that?
go.
Wait, I'm not done here.
Slowly. Okay, magkasgasan yun ng kamot.
Okay, I can eat.
Oh, let's see. Whoa. What? Your dream? Okay, what's this? Face change Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
Okay, warning. What's the warning? Choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years old. And who's 3 years old? How old are you?
5.
5? Ate, how old are you?
I'm
9,
9.
so you can play it, right? So let's 36 months up. So what's inside? Let's see first. Okay, warning. This product is not suitable for children under 36 months. And you use this under Papa and Mama's supervision. Do not throw toys at each other to avoid hurting others and yourself. What else? This product must not be close to the fire.
Because it's wood.
Oh, because to avoid danger. And
There's
then,
a word wood, Mom.
after unpacking, please keep plastics bag and other packaging that is not toy itself away from the babies. Let's start. Let's open. Slowly. Let's see if you can open.
I can't. Someone have to hold it.
Dali na po sa pikas.
Oh!
Okay.
That's
Slowly.
Mine is red.
Kajut sa.
Yours yellow. Like your theme
Kajut sa.
color. Mine is
Kajut sa. Let's see. So there's, let's see how
my
many
theme color. My
pieces.
theme color's blue.
So there's, kajut sa ba? There's 4 pieces of red. There.
And then you choose.
Later
one.
na. And then there's
I know how to play.
another 4 pieces for
Other players.
blue.
Mine is my theme color's blue, okay?
We will play this with
Yours
Papa.
is
We have
yellow.
for green. And we have also
My theme
for
color is blue.
yellow.
Mine yellow.
So, there are, example, the faces. This one, you can,
I'll teach you.
this.
Like this. Pretend the card will be this. The picture will
Yeah.
be this one. And you have to do like this. You have to make it as fast, and you have to get it right away and put here because
So,
the next one will come.
Let's see. What's the game instruction? Ready, go. Show your expression. Will your Rubik's Cube be surprised, sad, happy, angry, or have some strange expression? Their expression changes very quickly. Okay. Yana, you make faces first. So you have to put the 4 squares in your hand into the face on the challenge card as quickly as possible. So the first one to spell
Okay, ready?
out
Go.
is the winner. Okay?
Where's mine?
So we will start. Let's see. Okay, so in here,
I'm gonna
okay,
do
wait.
it first,
We have different cards. These are happy. How about this one?
No.
Sad. This one, ate, what?
Did it.
Yan na. So these are the different faces that they are going to make.
And who can make
Yeah.
it first will get the card.
Yes,
The next one will
yeah.
come. And you have to build
Yep.
it. That's very fast.
So there's lahi siyang mga faces. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this one. Go. So make a face.
What happened to you?
So we are going to, the card that was open is this. So we are going to find, okay. So ate did it first.
Yes.
So same. So ate will get the card. Okay?
And then after this one finish, the one that has more cards winner.
Okay. So next. Okay. Ay, pagdadalit eh. Ready?
Good.
It's okay lang. Okay, this face. Roll fast, bro.
Try. Well, what happened to your face?
Yay! I did it! Almost na si bro.
Almost like
Okay.
I didn't get any card.
Yeah, Zion is almost. How about ate?
I didn't guess it.
Okay.
I cannot find that.
Next. Okay, bro, ready?
Oh, with the mama lang. With this.
Yes. Okay.
I'm angry. You're
But
angry
you,
and
need,
then you're
but you need to make it fast. Okay, are you ready for the next card? Ready? Boop. It's a happy face.
again. Oh. I thought you were
Okay, next card. Ready? Go! Alina, bro!
Hey, where's the eye?
Yay!
Hey, where is... Okay.
Mama did it. Okay, 2, 3. Next card. Ready? Whoop!
Oh, look at that.
It should be, guys, the fastest.
Ay.
The fastest one. Pop! Yay!
I feel like that. It's like this.
This one.
Oh. Okay, next one.
Okay, next. Let's get another card. Whoop! Let's do it fast.
Finish.
Uh-oh. Because I have only one hand.
Because this one have already
Have
seen like
already,
last
yeah.
time. So you don't need to change it.
And like this.
Mama, what happened to that?
Ah, not correct. This one. Okay, so Ate got it first. So Ate will have the card.
Yeah, it's okay because we have so many cards.
Ikaw, open te. Oops.
Why? What happened to your face? What? Are you crying? Oh no, you're not crying. Sign it. You can.
Yay! Me first. Ate got it, right?
A little bit.
A little bit. So, I got it. I have 4 cards. How many cards in there?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 4, 4. So, we are tie.
Tie.
So,
Tie.
ready, get set, go.
Oh, what happened to you?
Oh, where is it? Come on. Let's look at the... And... Oh, no.
Oh no. Finish.
Uh-oh. Where is it? Oh, oi. No.
That one. No, this one.
Yep, Ate got it first. Si Ate nakauna.
But when I play with my classmates, it's like this. Wait, I'll show you like this. If the finish first, the people will do like this, and then after that, they will just do it right away. They don't need to wait.
No need to wait.
And so they have to do, and then other people like
Yeah.
like that.
Okay, ready?
Oh, look at this. The tongue is like that.
Sige na, go, go.
You're excited.
Okay! Yahoo! Got it! Faster da yun! I'm just using my one hand. Oh no, where is it? There you go.
No. It's not here. It's not. Oh, yeah, it's here.
Hurry up. Yeah! Who got first?
I don't know.
Ate, okay, Ate. Next. Uh-oh.
Whoa, what is that face? What happened to your face?
Okay, got it.
Okay, next one, hurry.
Got it. I'm just using my one hand. Oh no, this is not. Where is it? Oh. This one. No.
Is it have a tongue? Oh yeah.
I cannot. Oh my. Okay, Ate first. Go, go, go.
Whoa, what happened to your eyes? What? No one has a face like that. I mean, an eyes like that.
Okay. It's my turn. Okay, so guys, you can play this with 4 people. They have different colors. We have the yellow, the green, the red, and the blue. And we have different cards here of faces. The first one, how many cards you got there?
Okay, count yourself.
Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tie. Okay, high five, Ate. Bye. Okay, go. Where is it? Oh. Uh-oh.
Rubik. No, I'm looking at that pieces. Pieces.
Uh-oh.
Saman naman sa. Saman naman sa. Saman naman.
That is very fast.
Whoa, is this the crying singer? Oh. No, it has to be with the pink.
Ah, my. Na-late.
Okay, this one, the crying but upside down. So, cry upside down.
Ay. Alinaz! It's a tie. What is yours?
Oh, mine is happy, but yours is sad.
Oh,
Ah.
I got it. Alinaz! Dali. Ano naman? Okay. Else.
Did you take a bath already?
Ano na?
Oh, very good. Very nice. All the people.
Oo.
What is your ice?
Okay, mine.
You don't like my friend?
Okay. Nana siya?
Almost your time. Kajut na kayo.
Okay. Dili ka, di ka makitaan, dira. Ha? Wala na siya, Nats. 7. Uh-oh.
Well, that's hard. I don't like. I don't like hard. I need it. Where's the other?
Hmm?
Huh? No, that is wrong.
Hmm?
This is here. This is here, not the
Hmm.
Cry, and then upside down, cry, upside down, cry.
Hmm. Ay.
Play with Ate and Mama, huh?
Okay.